It is record-breaking weather. It's gonna be insane, I promise you that. Don't worry, we got a 3-0 coming. Hope you can see a record pass right now. What do you think you ran just now? Highest mile an hour. Oh my God! 147! Holy whoa. Oh my God! Highest mile an hour. Wow! Man, so proud of my brother. What up, guys? First day of Street Wars, M1 class going right up. I'm in test and tune. I think I'll be up a little bit later during the day, but Jamie has 7 cars here. Are you taking this event today or what?
Listen, why you up so close on me, man?
Bro, like people want to see you. People want to talk to you.
Look, that's Mike over here.
Nah,
say hello
Mike
to Mike.
is hanging out today.
Say hello to Mike. Mike is gonna be your tech. He's gonna be DQing all you guys.
This is my favorite. This might be my favorite tech guy. Might be. He is my favorite tech guy.
He's the second. He's the second.
Nah, he's my number 1.
Yeah? Oh, I'll make sure I DQ you then.
Damn, I'm not even racing, so it doesn't even matter. He's racing. 1,800 pounds, same thing as World Cup Finals, M1 fuel. We got 7 cars here for the shootout for Street Wars. Weather's looking pretty good. It's like 58 degrees. Should be a good turnout, hopefully better than yesterday, because yesterday only got 1 pass in. We're gonna see what the cars do today and then go from there. Last round for me did not go too good. Broke 5th gear and I went like a 9.3, I think at like 122, so I am out. The all-motor guys are going up now. Only 7 cars in the class, and you guys that are watching, man, shout out to Jamie. Jamie is the one that told OGS, hey look, let's make an M1 class, a tech class here today. So shout out to Jamie. If it wasn't for him, this class wouldn't be possible. This class is open to all racers too. It's not just us. So they are going up for the first and I think only round of qualifying. All right, so in the class, we got J-Rock, we got Nice Guy, Joe Pinella, Joey Built, then we have Jamie, and then we have my brother. I think there's 1 more car missing. But I think a total of 7 cars showed up here today for the M1 class. Not too bad. It's supposed to be an 8-car shootout, but I think they got 7. All right, so I gotta line the guys up. I'm gonna try to put the camera down at the line. Hopefully it'll pick up the coverage. I don't really know anybody here to hold the camera for me, but I'll put the GoPro footage in the video, and then hopefully after I line them up, I can get the footage. I don't know. I'm gonna try my best. Jordan went a 946, if I'm not mistaken. Jamie had issues during his pass. My brother's 2-step wasn't working, so they got him back up in the line for his last qualifier, only qualifier run. Jamie is gonna be out for the event. Something I think happened to him. I don't know yet, we're gonna figure it out, but I think he's out for good. And same thing with J-Rock. J-Rock has issues now. He's not gonna be able to make it. So we're gonna see what my brother does up for his first round qualifying. God! 147! 933, 147. Yo, that's the fastest mile an hour in M1 right now. Woo! Wow! Yo, where you at? I got 4 people. She weighs as much as all you guys. I'm just joking. My brother. brother's reaction. Check this out, the board is still lit. 933, 147. That's the fastest mile an hour in M1. That's almost 148. So he holds the record for mile an hour now.
All three guys pulled up.
What do you think you ran just now?
Like a 45 maybe?
933, highest mile
No
an hour,
fucking way.
world record,
No,
147.
no fucking
I think it
way.
puts you number 2,
Bro.
but you have the highest mile an hour in the class.
Oh my God, bro. Congrats.
Now we gotta go a fucking 31.
I don't know if you guys can see that. What the scale say?
1830. He's 30 over.
1830.
You're too heavy, man.
A little 30 pounds too heavy. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. 1830. Now we're gonna check fuel and then we're good to go. Rafi just took a fuel sample. 933.
Don't worry, we got a 3-0 coming.
118 to the 8. That's like how fucking mine is.
check out that 60, baby.
Holy fuck.
139. Man, so proud of my brother. 139.60. He went 39 to the 330. 118 to the 8th mile. 933 at 147. Highest mile an hour. I think he holds the record now. 147 miles per hour. Wild. All right, boys, just to clear the air, the fastest I think in M1 in the world right now I think is like a 932. Then this number 2 spot is a 933 with a 7. My brother went 933 with a 9, so it makes him number 3. But the day is not over yet. Jamie's broken, Jordan's broken. There's only 4 cars left in the field. It's gonna be Joey Bill versus Joe Pinella. My brother's gonna be by himself, and then the nice guy's by himself. So my brother's still gonna make a hit, hoping to better the time. Let's go. Here we go, boys. Let's go, baby. Hope we can see a record pass right now.
Shuts it off a little early, having a 965 coasting.
Damn. All right, last pass for my brother didn't go too good. The car was swaying all over the track. I think he went a 965, I think like 119. But good thing it was just a buy run. Track conditions are getting a little cold out. Hopefully next pass will be a lot better. So far, only 3 cars left in the class. Only basically 2 rounds left. Well, let's hope he breaks another PB here. Weather's good, last event of the year. Wish us some luck. All right, boys, all motors semifinals. My brother has a buy run. And then Joe Pinella is paired with Nice Guy. So semifinals, super cold out. Don't know if the track conditions are gonna be the same, but I hope they are good. It is record-breaking weather. If the track prep is there, it's gonna be insane, I promise you that. So let's see what happens. sputtered. Something happened in one or two of his gears, and then Joey just won his race. Joey versus Matt next round. All right, boys, finals coming up right now. Last pass, my brother went a 960 something. Crank sensor took his shit. Just swapped a new one over with a new cam sensor. Make sure everything's good. Hoping it goes A to B, smooth down. He's racing Joe Pinella in the finals right now in all motor.
All motor final right here, all motor final.
You two blame her. I don't know if she just got my brother's final pass. Brother went 955 to Joe Pinella's 944. Blame her in the comments because she hit stop record. I don't know when.
I was practicing, but I didn't do that.
I don't know what you were doing. But 944 for Joe Pinella, 950 something for my brother. Shout out to Joe. I can't wait to see the GoPro footage. All right, boys. I was talking shit about her. She didn't record. I didn't even turn the GoPro on. My brother won a 950 at 145. Joe won a 944 at 144. Anyways, that was the final. My brother made it to the finals. Shout out to OGS. Shout out Jamie. Shout out to everybody that came through. It was a great event overall. Street Wars 2023. I went 865. My brother went number 3 in the world. This is the end of track season for us. It'll be Bills moving on forward. But we'll be back next season. Can't wait.